we will do the second question. It is example number 2 from the textbook. And the question is, show that the points 1, 7, 4, 2, -1, -1 and -4, 4 are the vertices of a square. Now what do you have to do then? Vertices of a square means what? It will be the coordinates of the corner, right? And just here it will be, first it will be, we will write the names A, B, C, D. Okay, then in one A means it is 1, 7, then B means it is 4, 2, then C means -1, -1, D means -4, 4, right? Now how will you show that it is a square? The vertices, these given points are the vertices. They are told that you have to show that it is the vertices of the square. Means what? What property are just already written? All sides are equal and what is the next one then? The diagonals should be equal. So that you have to just show. How will you show it? All sides are equal means AB should be equal to BC, should be equal to CD, should be equal to AD, and this AC should be equal to what? Should be equal to BD. These things you have to show, right? So AB, BC, CD and AD should be equal and then diagonals also should be equal. Okay. Now how will you show now? All sides are equal means what? From A to B, the distance will be the, using the distance formula, we will find out the distance. That should be equal to BC, the distance between B and C. And then same answer we should get when we are finding out the distance formula and finding out the distance. Here CD, right? Same thing we have to find out the distance between AD using distance formula. Then after that what you have to do? Diagonal distance between A to C and D to B also should be the same. Diagonals also should be the same. Okay, we will start now. First what you should write? Let A, write the points B, then 4, 2, C, -1, -1, D, -4, 4 are the given points. What is the next step then? You have to find out AB. AB, how will you find out? AB equals root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. When you are writing the formula, you have to just say it in your mind. It will be very useful for you. So AB, what is A, what is B? So A is 4, 2 and B, not 4, 2, it is 1, 7 and B is 4, 2. Which is x1, which is y1? x1, y1 is A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2. Okay, we'll start now. Equals root of x2, it is 4 minus 1 the whole square plus y2, it is 2 minus y1 is 7 the whole square equals root of 4 minus 1, 3 square plus -5 square. It will be 9 plus 25, right? So it will be root of 35 you will get. So AB you got like this. Now next one BC. So you have to find out here. BC equals, so what is B? B is 4, 2 and then C is -1, -1. Here x1, y1, here it is x2, y2, right? So again we will start root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y the whole square, right? So it will be root of -5 the whole square plus -3 the whole square. It is 25 plus -5 into -5, positive 25 plus 9, you will get the answer 35. BC also you got. Now what is the next one? After BC, CD. So CD means C is what? -1, -1, D is -4, 4. Now CD equals, which is x1, y1, which is x2, y2. Here this one is C is x1, y1, D is x2, y2. So here it will be -4 minus -1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus -1 the whole square equals root of -4 plus 1, right? So it will be -3 square plus 4 plus 1, 5 square. So same thing, what will you get? 9 plus 25 will get the answer, root of 35 will get. So CD also you got. Next one, AD you have to find out. So here we will write. You write D, -4, 4, A is 1, 7. So DA equals root of, here x1, y1, here x2, y2. So 1 minus -4 the whole square plus 7 minus 4 the whole square. Same thing you will get, right? So it will be root of 5 square plus 7 minus 4, 3 square. You will get the answer. 5 square is 25, 25 plus 9, it will be 35 you will get. Now you completed the 4 sides. AB is root 35, BC is root 35, CD is root 35 and DA is equal to root 35. What is the next one then? Diagonals you have to take. BD you have to find out, BD. So BD equals, first you find out what is B. B is 4, 2 and D is what? -4, 4. Right? So BD equals what? Root of x2, x1, y1, x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. It will be root of -8 the whole square plus 2 square. You will get the answer. Root of 8 square means 64. 64 plus 4 you will get root 68. Right. The next one, BD finished now. AC. AC means A is what? A is 1, 7 and C is -1, -1. So AC equals root of, here it is x1, y1, x2, y2. So it will be -1 minus 1 the whole square plus -1 minus 7 the whole square. Here also it will be root of -2 square plus -8 square. That means you will get the answer, root 68 you will get. Okay, at the last you have to write since from here to here. Okay, since AB equals BC equals CD equals DA and the diagonals which one? BD equals AC, ABCD is a square. Then what is the next step then? So what we can say? So the given points are the vertices of a square. Vertices of a square. Okay, this is the answer. How to write. Example 3, our third question, right? In the figure, there is a figure, shows the arrangement of desks in a classroom. Ashima, Bharti and Camilla are seated at A31, B64, C86 respectively. Do you think they are seated in a line? Give reasons for your answer. Whenever you are thinking about a line, what you will think with the coordinates means? You have to think about the collinear or not. 3 points are there and they are asking about a line means, that means you have to think about collinear. Collinear, how will you find out whether they are collinear or not? AB plus like this it should be. Right, 3 points are there means here A, B, C. So AB plus BC, if it is equals AC means they are in collinear. They will seated in as a line. Clear? So we have to find out. Now they had given you the figure also. First one, Ashima sitting at A. So 3, 1. So here it is 3, 1. Ashima is sitting here. Next one, Bharti is in 6, 4. 6, 4 it is. Next one, C, 8, 6. So you have to find out whether it is correct or not. 8 and then 6. So it is C. Okay, Kamala's place. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out whether they are sitting as a line or not. So what you have to do then? First you find out AB, then find out BC, then whether when you add you have to get the answer AC. So AB you have to find out, BC you have to find out, AC you have to find out. Okay, we will start now. So A 3, 1, B 6, 4, then C 8, 6 are given. Now first we will find out AB. AB equals root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now AB is here to find out this 2, right? So it is root of x2 is here x1 y1, here it is x2 y2. So 6 minus 3 the whole square plus y2 is 4 minus 1 the whole square equals root of 3 square plus 3 square, you will get the answer what? 9 plus 9, you will get root 18. Right? Okay. So, next thing, BC you have to find out BC. B and C is here. So, B x1 y1, x2 y2. So, root of x2 is 8 minus 6 the whole square plus 6 minus 4 the whole square equals root of 8 minus 6, 2 square plus, it is again 6 minus 4, 2 square. You will get the answer 4 plus 4, you will get the answer root 8. Right, the next one then, you have to find out AC. AC, A is 3, 1, C is 8, 6. So here we will write A 3, 1, it is C is 8, 6. AC, so A is here, B, C is here. So x1 y1 and then x2 y2. So root of 8 minus 3 the whole square plus 6 minus 1 the whole square equals 5 square plus 5 square. You will get the answer 25 plus 25 equals root 50. If sum of these two sides should be equal to this side, right? How will you find out then? So what you have to do is again split and find out. Root 18 can be written as what? Root 9 into 2. What is root 9? It is 3. So it is 3 root 2. Right? What about root 8? Root 8 is root 4 into 2. Right? It is root 4 into 2. Root 4 is 2. So 2 root 2. What about root 50? It is root 25 into 2. That means it will be root 25. It is 5 root 2. Just look. 3 root 2, 2 root 2, 5 root 2. Will you get the answer? AB plus BC, it is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 equals 5 root 2, that is AC. So what we can say then? Do you think they are seated in a line? Yes. Yes, they are seated in a line. Right, what is the reason? Because the points A, B and C are collinear. Okay. So, example 4 and a fourth question, right? Find the relation between x and y such that the point xy, this is a point xy, is equidistant from the points 7, 1 and 3, 5. So, 2 points already given. So, these are the 2 points and one more point is there, right? And the condition is what? This point is equidistant from the point 7, 1 and 3, 5. So, we will write it as let P be xy point, okay? It is equidistant from the points, name it as A and B, okay? So, A 7 1 and B 3 5. Right. What is the meaning of this question? Just P of xy is here, suppose. Right. And A and B are here. So, such that the point xy is equidistant from the points A and B. Equidistant from the points A and B. That means this will be AP will be same as BP. Right. Equidistance from A and equidistant from B. This point P is equidistant from A and equidistant from B. Here 7 centimeter means here also it will be 7 centimeter. Clear? So, what all things we can say then? This distance will be equal to, this is AP will be equal to BP. So, we can write it as AP equals BP. Right? So, how will you find AP? The distance between A to P using distance formula. Coordinates are there. What are BP? The same using the distance formula. Coordinates also given. Okay. Now, we will start now. Root of, first we will start AP. A means what? It is A is 7 1 and then B is, here it is AP means here already given A is 7 1 and P is xy and then B is what? 3 5. Okay, AP how will you write? AP means it is AP equals x2 minus, here it is x1 y1, here it is x2 y2. So, x2 minus x minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square, right? What about BP? So, here it is B is x1 y1 and P is xy, that means x2 y2. So, BP equals root of x2 is here, right? So, x minus 3 the whole square plus y2 minus, so it will be y minus 5 the whole square. Now, what is the next section? They told you that AP equals BP. That means when AP equals BP, what happens? It is root of AP is x minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equals root of x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. Now, look, root is there, that we have to remove. How will you remove? When is square, it will read, root will be removing. So, AP square equals BP square. Then it will be, we are removing by squaring. Just look, here this squaring means what happened? Root will go. Nothing will happen. Here also squaring means it will be root will move. Or we can remove that root. Right? So, it will be x minus 7 the whole square plus y minus 1 the whole square equals x minus 3 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square. Now, we can expand. X square minus a minus b the whole square. So, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, 14x, right? 2 into 7 into x plus 49 plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equals x square, then minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. X square and x square we can cancel because here it is equal sign. Then y square and y square we can cancel. Balance is what? For here it is negative 14x plus, now take the x term to here, it will be plus 6x. Then y term is erased, minus 2y, here plus 10y. Then 49 plus 1 is 50 plus 50, here comes here 25 plus 9, 25 plus 10 is 35. So, minus 34 you will get equals 0. Now, 6 minus 14, you will get the answer minus 8x, minus 8x. Then, minus 2y plus 10y, it will be plus 8y. 50 minus 34, it will be, what will you get? 16 you will get. 34 plus 10 is 44, 44 plus 6, so 16 you will get. Now, 8 is what? Common. So, what we can do? So, 8 is common means what will do? Negative x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. This common 8 will come to here. So, it will be 0 into 8 you will get 0 itself. So, that step we can avoid. Now look here, first itself there is negative sign. So what you should do? Make it positive. So it will becomes, all the signs should fully have to change, and then this constant you have to make it the other side. So here it will be, first we will write like this, negative x plus y equals negative 2. Right. So it will be, becomes x minus y equals positive 2. All the sign fully it would be changed. You have to change all the sign. Full equation you have to change. So negative x becomes positive x, plus y becomes minus y, and negative 2 becomes positive 2. So this is the what? This is the relation between x and y, such that the points x, y is equidistant from these 2 points. Fifth question, example 5. Okay. Find a point on the y-axis. Find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the points A and B is there. So what are the point on the y-axis means? How will you write it? Here it will be x-axis, right? X dash, here it is y dash. Here also, here it is negative 1, here 1, 2, 3, etc. Here negative 1, negative 2, etc. Okay. Find a point on the y-axis. On the y-axis means here anywhere it will be. This is the y-axis. Suppose we are taking this is a point on the y-axis. What are the coordinates for it? What will you write? First you have to write x coordinate. X coordinate, what you have to, on the y-axis means x coordinate will be 0. Then y coordinate is 3. Right? So what are here it is? If it is here means it will be 0, negative 2. Means what is the form of that? On the y-axis means it will be point, it will be 0, and it is y coordinate. It will be the point 0, y. Right. So P 0, y will be the point we are going to take. Okay. So let P 0, y be a point on the y-axis. Now what is the next one then? It is equidistant from the points which is equidistant from the points what? A 6, 5 and B negative 4, 3. Right. So what is the next step then? What is the meaning of that? Here P is there means here A, B is there, B is there. Right. A is there, B is there. So here it will be equidistant. Right. So AP will be equal to BP. That means AP should be equal to BP. Now what is the next step? You have to find out. What is AP? A is here. What is it? 6, 5. P is 0, y, and then B is negative 4, 3. Right? Okay, AP, here x1, y1, x2, y2. So AP equals root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. AP, first x1, y1, here x2, y2. So next one BP then. BP equals root of, here B means first x1, y1, here it is P is x2, y2. So here also 0 minus negative 4 the whole square plus next one, here it is y2, y minus 3 the whole square. So we have to equate them, both of them. So root of 0 minus 6 it is negative 6 the whole square plus y minus 5 the whole square equals root of 4 the whole square plus y minus 3 the whole square. What is the next step then? You can cancel, actually these equal sign is there, you can cancel this root and root. Otherwise what you can say? It is AP square equals BP square we are going to do. Squaring means root it will be cancelled, nothing else will happen, no change at all. So it is negative 6 the whole square means 36, right? Plus y minus 5 the whole square, it is y square minus 10y plus 25 equals 16 plus y minus 3 the whole square, y square minus 6y plus 9. Right? Now take the like terms together. Anything can you cancel? Y square and y square you can cancel. Then anything else? No. So 36 plus, first you write the y term. So it will be negative 10y. Here it is plus 6y, you are taking this side. So again 36 plus 25. That means it is plus, it is 61, right? Equals, here not equals 16 plus 9 we are taking outside, it will be minus 25 equal to 0. Minus 10y plus 6y, it is negative 4y. Then 61 minus 25. What is it? It is plus 6. Then 36 you will get. Right. So negative 4y is equal to negative 36. What is y then? Y is equal to negative 36 by negative 4. Y is equal to 9 you will get. Right. So find a point on the y axis. So the point is what? It is 0y, right? 0y. That means P 0y is 9. P 9 is equidistant from the points A and B. From the points A 6, 5 and B negative 4, 3. Okay, clear? Same way as we did it earlier. Okay, only the thing is that you have to take x-axis, means what will you take? On the x-axis means it will be x coordinate first, then write 0. Y-axis means first 0, then y coordinate. Okay. Now next question, exercise number 7.1, fourth question. Check whether 5, negative 2, 6, 4 and 7, negative 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So they had given you 3 coordinates, means 3 points they had given you, and you have to find out whether the points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Here it is A, B, C, means here A is 5, negative 2, B is 6, 4 and C is 7, negative 2. Now how will you find out whether it is an isosceles triangle? Two sides should be equal, right? AB should be equal to AC, right? If two sides are equal means we can say, we can stop there. Okay. Now look, first, so vertices of a triangle means how will you do? Means two sides means the distance between A to B should be equal to A to C, right? Okay, we will check now. So let A 5, negative 2, B 6, 4 and C 7, negative 2, right? What did AB? AB equals root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now next one, then root of AB is here x2, y2, x1, y1. So it will be 6 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is negative 2 the whole square. It will be root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2, 6 square. You will get the answer root of 1 plus 36. You will get the answer root 37. Okay, AB equals root 37. We will find out then BC. So BC equals root of here x1, y1, x2, y2. So 7 minus 6 the whole square plus negative 2 minus 4 the whole square equals root of 1 square plus negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6 the whole square. Now itself we can find out everything is same. So it will be root of 1 plus 36. You will get the answer root 37. So we can stop there. Now these two sides are equal. So since AB equals BC, what we can say? The given points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so you have to remember about the conditions. What about a square, what about the parallelogram, what is a rhombus, what about the triangle, isosceles, right angle triangle. Everything you have to remember. Then only we can prove like this. Okay, so learn the notes thoroughly.